In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to cut wood without a table saw. The first method is using a circular saw. Place the wood to be cut on top of a sacrificial board. Next, draw your desired cut line using a speed square and a carpenter's pencil. Draw the cut line along the length or width, depending on how you want it. Set the depth of the blade using the edge of the wood as a reference. The blade should be deep enough to make a through cut in the wood while grazing the sacrificial board underneath. Measure the offset distance from the base of the saw to its blade. Measure from the cut line and mark a point at the offset distance. Clamp down the wood along with a speed square or a level to guide the saw. Next, clamp the wood piece at the middle and at the end. Align the blade with the cut line and plug in the saw. Turn on the saw and cut along the marked line. Once the cut has been made, smoothen the edges using sandpaper. With that, the cut is complete and ready. The next method of cutting is by using a jigsaw. Using a speed square and a pencil, draw a cut line. Next, measure the offset distance from the edge of the base to the jigsaw blade. Transfer the offset from the saw to the wood by measuring from the cut line. Clamp down the wood, along with a speed square or a level to guide the saw so that it overhangs from the end of the work surface. Next, clamp the wood at both ends. Once this is done, align the blade with the cut line and plug in the saw. Remember to cut on the scrap side of the cut line to get the exact dimensions. Turn on the saw and move it along the cut line drawn earlier. Make sure to press the jigsaw firmly against the fence to maintain a straight line. Once the cut has been made, smoothen the edges using sandpaper. With that, the cut is completed using the jigsaw. The third and final method is using a handsaw. Place the wood to be cut on top of the sacrificial board. Using a speed square and a pencil, draw the cut line along the length or width for cutting. Clamp the wood at the middle and align the saw blade with the cut line. Begin cutting along the line. Cut carefully, keeping a straight and vertical line. Once the cut has been made, smoothen the edges using sandpaper. With that, you have completed cutting the wood using a handsaw. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.